There's a formula that we use, and okay, how much do you need to protect? And so that's how much gold, based on your portfolios of fiat money assets, that you would need. So we'd calculate that out. We would also take a look at what is your current cost of living.
Mm-hmm.
And that's where the silver comes in, and also some of the gold, because of those property taxes, that we want to take a look at your cost of living, including all your property taxes. And then we have formulas to determine, okay, this is how much silver you need, this is how much gold you need. And because this is a global issue, my personal portfolio has that level of protection in it for 10 years to sustain my current standard of living. And it's actually, considering how severely undervalued both of these assets are, it's not as much as you would think.
Yeah.
And it's actually pretty amazing. So it's a gift that they've been suppressing the price.
Yeah.
We're going to take a look at whatever mortgages you have, any other fixed rate debt that you have. And again, using those formulas, we can determine how much gold and silver you are most likely to need through this whole entire scenario. Then beyond that, we look at your growth goals, right? So right now you own a couple of properties, but history tells us what happens to properties during the circumstances that we're in right now. And I mean, this rapid run up, I mean, if you've been in property for a long time, you know that that's not normal for the prices to go up like that quickly, right? So, and what goes up like that must come down, and vice versa. So when that happens, those that are not prepared to hold on to their holdings, there will be a lot of properties that come on the market. And it does a flip-flop. So right now you got undervalued gold, overvalued real estate, and then that's going to flip-flop. And so then history also shows us that, and I did a whole piece on this, but 25 ounces of gold, or the equivalent, would buy an entire city block in Berlin, right, during the Weimar Republic. 25 ounces of gold,
Wow.
right? So, again, you go back to your goals. Maybe you just have a couple of rental properties now. Well, look at all the building that's going on. A lot of that is securitized. In other words, turned into securities and sold. Wall Street sells it to the public, right? They don't care if property prices go down. They've got their money out.
Right.
You're the one that's sitting there holding the bag.
Right.
So if you protect not just that, but you put yourself in a position to take advantage of this wealth transfer mechanism, because that's really what it is. Wealth never disappears. It just shifts location.